So let's go on to the next question from CAT 2017, the second slot. You can pause the video and give it a try, and then you can resume for the solution. All right. So if f of AB is f of A into f of B for all positive integers A and B, then the largest possible value of f of 1 is. So one way of answering the question is, since A and B are both positive integers, you can take values and solve the question. Between A and B, I must keep one of them as 1 only because I need to figure out the value of f of 1, right? You can take, let's say, A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 1. So now I substitute A as 3 and B as 1 in this particular equation. I have f of 3 into 1 will be equal to f of 3 into f of 1. I have put in place of A 3 and in place of B I have put 1. So f of 3 into 1 is f of 3 into f of 1. Now f of 3 into 1 is nothing but f of 3 only. So f of 3 will be equal to f of 3 into f of 1. All right. F of 3 being the same on both sides, we can just cancel it out because it's a function of positive integers. So that gives me f of 1 is equal to 1. And that is the answer to my question. Right. So that's one way of answering the question. The other way is something called as Cauchy's equations. Okay. This we have studied in our course also. And you can check out the link in the description, or you can check out the card which is flashing probably here at the right hand corner of the screen. So Cauchy's equations will make the question very, very easy. Remember guys, whenever you have f of AB is f of A into f of B. Whenever you have f of A into f of B is f of A into f of B, the function is of the type f of x is some power of x raised to n. Only then this can be true. For more information, as I've said, you can check out the course. So f of x is x raised to n. And now we are being asked what is the largest possible value of f of 1. So f of 1 will be nothing but 1 raised to the power n. What is the largest possible value of 1 raised to n? Well, any possible value of n would give you 1 raised to n as 1 only. So the largest possible value of f of 1 is also equal to 1.